Hi, this is Sose University. This is job opening for the technology Azure SQL DBA administrator for the company career. The location is Hyderabad. The requirements are BE, B.Tech, M.Tech, or MCA education. Must have 8 to 10 years of relevant experience in managing DB activities, and that includes architecture, implementation, troubleshooting, and monitoring of Microsoft SQL Server, Azure SQL PAS experience, along with on-prem GBA is required, and scripting language experience such as PowerShell and SQL scripting is mandatory. The second technology is content development with skill Azure SQL DBA development. The company Infogain India Private Limited, location is Bangalore. The key responsibilities are expert knowledge in SQL Server, like basic knowledge of Azure DB1, very strong practical in SQL DB expert. Level 2 is required. And the third technology is Azure SQL DBA for the company Capgemini. They're looking for 6 to 9 years of experience candidate. The job description is end-to-end technical responsibilities for the successful delivery of the engagement, work closely with our clients, lead architecture program, and project managers. The fourth technology is Azure SQL DBA for the company Mindtree. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. The required skills are manage SQL Server database, experience with backup, restore, and recovery models is required. The experience needed is 5 to 7 years. The fifth technology is cloud, public cloud or database or Azure SQL DBA. For the company Lynx, the location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. They are looking for 3 plus years of project experience deploying cloud database solution on Microsoft Azure and 4 to 6 years of experience in A level of the location will be Chennai, Pune, and good skills in Microsoft Azure and AWS cloud technologies like Microsoft SQL databases are required. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.